guys, Derek here. Just a big apology for not getting any content out over the time. I've had a few issues with my Hypercube and a few other bits and pieces which I was trying to sort out, and then I thought of getting hold of a different printer, so I got myself a A30 G-Tech. Build the actual build itself went really well. It's the same as the CR10. A couple of screws, connecting cables, done. Now the two lead screws that came with my printer were bent. They were binding on both sides. They needed to be sorted out. So I contacted G-Tech. They sent out two new lead screws, put them on, and it was printing, but the quality was very, very poor. No matter what I tried to do to it, I don't know what was happening with it. So I decided, because obviously I bought it from a company, I sent it back, decided to get a replacement one, tried again, and it was just very poor. It was just not adequate. I mean, even my little console Delta was actually printing better. Anyway, so I decided to send that back and got myself a CR10S, which you can see just here. This is not a full-blown Creality one. This is from Hictop. CR10S. The only thing is, it's got the dual lead screws. It doesn't have the filament run out sensor, but as you know, that I build them anyway, so it's not an issue. That's one thing I need to do to it. This CR10S was cost me less than the A30. The A30 was $250. This worked out to be about $210 in the end. I've already done some mods and stuff, which I'm going to go through on another video, and I've got quite a bit of stuff in the background, so I'm hoping to get a load more printing done now that I've got this, including my Frostmourne sword, which is one thing that I want to redo. And now that I learned quite a bit from 3D printing, I want to try and see what I can do and make it a lot better. Anyway, all that done. Once again, apologies for not getting any content out. I don't feel right not getting anything out. It's for you guys, especially my Patreons, but I'm going to be getting stuff out now at least once a week. If it's not a video, it'll be a live stream, and I'm going to be doing something. So I'm just letting you know what I'm doing. I am still alive. Keep calm. There will be more content coming out. Okay, and so like, comment, subscribe, share the videos. I would like to try and get some more content, more subs. The more subs I get, the more I can give to you guys. People will start recognising. It seems like people get recognised by the amount of people you get. I don't know. Anyway. So at the moment I've got a few more things coming out for this. I've got an Ultra Bass coming in for it. I've got BL Touch coming for it. I'm going to put all those on, get it all up and running. I mean, at the moment it's printing fantastic. But yeah. Anyway, I'm going to go. I'm starting to ramble again. Like, comment, subscribe, share my videos, pass the word on to try and get more people to come to me. That'd be great. Anyway, I'm going to go. Thank you very much for everything, and yeah, be yourselves. Alright, thank you. Bye.